TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern time on Monday. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as it looks like a positive open to start off the trading week. Dow futures up 162 points, trading at 24,498. S&P's up about 16 points, trading at 2674, and the Nasdaq up 43 points, trading at 6684. All the major indices up about 0.2% as we come into the trading week. Start things off. Let's take a look at the VIX this morning, and as this market just continues higher, quite a chart on the VIX as we just continue lower. We were in the 20s last week, currently this morning looking like 1720 near the open. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the Dow 30. So there you can see the 6 o'clock open last night as the futures open higher. We're up about 160 points, pretty much right where we were as of the market open last night. Traded a little bit lower to about 24,400 overnight, and from there we've rebounded to those same levels that the futures opened at last night. 24,517 in the Dow. Nasdaq 100, pretty similar pattern, open higher, trade a bit lower before rebounding, 66.92 in the Nasdaq 100. S&P 500 currently trading at 26.77, making highs of the pre-market session as we speak. Gold with some volatility as well. You see the market open at 6 o'clock. We get a little bit of volatility from about 1344 to 1351. From there, 1348, right in the middle of that range for gold. Crude oil, a little bit lower from yesterday's trading activity, currently trading just under $67, call it $66.68 in the crude oil futures contract. And Bitcoin pulling back a bit from where we were overnight, all the way up to 8,400, currently trading 79.82 in Bitcoin. What else you have happening this morning? We had U.S. retail sales out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, rebounding to a solid 0.6% in March. Quite a number. Commerce Department says retail sales rose 0.6% last month, the largest increase since November, and auto sales jumped 2%, the most in 6 months. You also have Bank of America reporting earnings, 62 cents a share versus 59 cents. And with that in mind, it's also earnings. You're going to have Netflix after the bell today. And let's just jump over and see how Bank of America is faring this morning on those news earnings. Quite a day for it Friday, that's for sure. But this morning, closed at $29.80, really right at $29.80. Was up above $30, but pulling back a bit. Stay tuned. Larry Pezzimento coming up right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great day, everybody.